guys, and welcome to another video of Linux. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through what is on-premise. And we usually call this thing on-prem, right? Somebody might be, so you might heard somebody saying that, hey, we have servers on-premise or we have server in the cloud. When he's saying that we have server on-premise, what does that mean? What does that mean? And when they are just saying maybe they have servers in the cloud and you're still really a beginner, what does that mean? If you go ahead here, I'm going to hide my Epic pen. As you guys can see here, this is the cloud, and we have something here called on-premise. On-premise basically means what? You basically have your entire data center stored somewhere and you manage it. As you guys can see here, this might be a bank here, right? Or an office, and they have some computer here. And whatever they are typing here or the data that they want to store, they don't store this on this computer, right? They use this data, they use this computer here to access data that is stored in the data center. As you guys can see, if you have this physical location, we basically have call this one on-premise, right? On-premise. And the second alternative can be in the cloud. It can be stored like AWS or Azure. And let's say you might have your office here. And when you have this office, you can basically decide to put all your servers in the cloud here and access, and you can basically access this one over the network and through AWS cloud, right? And we'll see here that everything here, it is in the cloud, right? On-prem and also in the cloud. And let me wipe out this a little bit. As you guys can see here, we also have something called hybrid that will not be going through that. Like, let's say, in some cases, some companies basically are going to kind of take a portion of what they have here on premise and go ahead and put it in the cloud and basically establish a network connectivity between the cloud and what they have on-prem, right? That means on-prem basically is something that you basically manage. In the cloud is something that somebody manages, like AWS can manage the cloud, right? And you just go ahead and use that. And you need to decide, where are you going to deploy your infrastructure, your resources? Are you going to use on-premise, or are you going to use on-prem, or are you going to take advantage of the cloud, right? It is up to you, because it also depends on what company are using, right? But a lot of company where I've worked so far, they migrated to the cloud. Why? Because they want to take advantage of the cloud. And also this can just be private, right? This is private. You are the only one to access this. You build it, you secure it, but somebody here can say this is the cloud and get this build and secure it, and he just want you to access this over the network, use it, and just pay for what you use, right? You need to sit down and think a little bit, because with this, you are spending a lot of money, and there are a lot of stuff that you cannot do, because to do higher availability, it is a little bit difficult, and this thing cannot basically, when you're also on-prem, your infrastructure will not be elastic, right? Elastic. You have issue to scale. You have issue to scale, right? Because when you scale, at some point, you have idle servers. And that's it for this little video. What is on-prem? Why on-prem with Linux cores? Just because you can decide your servers can be on-prem or it can be in the cloud. And if you're working somewhere that your company is still on-premise, you guys are going to launch all those servers on-prem. If your company is already in the cloud, those servers will be in the cloud. That's it. Please, if you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you will be notified when we publish a new video. Please also go ahead and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Bye-bye.